Okay.
Fuck. I said nothing filmed, but I unscrewed.
So, what are we doing right now?
I have to take apart my old bed. And there's so many screws. Put it right here?
Yeah.
Uh-oh. No, we can't. Very flat. One down. 2 screws down. 3 screws down.
It will go smoothly. Thank you, I needed that.
Fortune down. 4 screws down.
Okay, hi. We're building a bed. No, we're taking apart a bed.
In order to build the bed.
In order to build a bed.
I broke the wheel. That fit perfectly. That's what he said.
Now we're dusting shelves.
Because I'm a clean person. Do you see how clean that is?
Okay, we just finished dusting that off. And what are we doing now?
Vacuuming.
Cool. Vacuuming the floor.
Okay, so this is your job now? Or...
So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna build the bed and we're gonna ask the boyfriend tag questions so that you guys actually can watch something cool.
What do you mean? Oh, look at all these boxes of my underwear. Oh, another one?
Kevin has a fact for you guys.
Well, my fact is that, like, if you guys don't know, Lululemon underwear, the best underwear there is out there.
Yep.
Pack one, pack one, pack one.
Sponsor us.
Good stuff.
Okay, ripped off my skin. I did.
No, you didn't.
Look at it.
Don't see anything.
You don't even care, you're just like looking at me. Thanks.
You're welcome. Wow! Oh my goodness.
gosh. Whoa. Bless you. That's your
Another way to do it.
Okay.
What?
Sure, I guess that's how it is. This is a lot louder than I anticipated, but we'll still try to answer questions.
I hereby knight you, Sir Talia Sargent.
Wow, thank you.
What?
Did you not see how he just did that? Whatever. It goes how it goes. Okay, first question. We're going out to eat. Where are we going?
Costa Vida?
Sure, Costa Vida.
I don't know.
Where are we going? One food that I don't like.
Scrambled eggs.
I didn't tell him that until like 2 weeks ago.
After I made you breakfast 10 times. At least.
Oops.
At least 10
To be fair, the first time that he made them, I told him.
I don't believe you.
I did. I swear I did. Okay.
What's this, you think? Are you ripping this one too?
Sure, why not? Okay, one more question before we rip that.
Uh-huh.
If I was collecting something, what would I collect?
Lanyards.
Oh my gosh, yes! And then just pull.
Whoa. Whoa. Whatever you mean.
comment down below whose system is better. Nope.
Oh. Okay, so you might have a point.
This is a really hot angle, but we're gonna go with it. How do we begin? Two. And then we need to put like those in it. This is so entertaining. Thanks for watching.
Let's get the show on the road. We need the number 1 screws.
They both have number 1 on them.
No, they don't.
This has 1, and then this has a 1 and 2. Just kidding. Just thought I would trick you there. So, this
Update.
is
Update. Yeah.
That's all. Next question. I'm gaming. What am I playing?
Minecraft.
Yeah. Fortnite and Minecraft.
Probably, yeah. With the boys.
Am I sporty?
Yes.
Kinda. This process is taking longer than I thought it would.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Do you think we're gonna do it in like 5 minutes?
I don't know.
Like low-key?
We started at like 5 o'clock and it's like 8 o'clock.
It's 8:50. We take a break though. Ate some food.
We're trying to figure out what the orientation of the room should be.
Yeah. I'm not an interior designer. Even though I like might be after this.
There's something about the way that you understand